What's going on YouTube? Nate here. Today we're going to start our first ever build project. We have a classic Bonanza mini bike frame. It needs to be stripped down, sanded, and primed. In the future we're going to get into the fun stuff like motors and maybe even go racing, but we got to start where we are. So get ready, this is Project Bonanza. This is the Bonanza BC 1200 mini bike. We're going to start by taking off the old shocks and swing arm, but I'm going to give you a little bit of history of what I know about this bike so far. The previous owner stated it was a 1969 Bonanza BC 1100 or 1200 model mini bike. The frame came with no motor, no jack shaft, no wheels, and a mismatched set of forks off of a Rupp mini bike. I have since been told that the factory welds for the foot pegs are not in the correct place for it to be a 1969 model. If you have any thoughts or comments about a better way to identify this frame, go ahead and leave us a comment down below. Does it look square?
Huh? Same thing. Not bad.
The swing arm is in pretty good shape, but the old pivot shaft and bushings still need to be removed. After the swing arm is completely disassembled, we can determine what can be salvaged and what will need to be replaced.
Don't want to come out of that bushing, man.
A little more encouragement.
Yeah, let's see. Oh, problem is, all jacked up. Stick it back up in there. Oh. Take these ends and grind them smooth on the grinder. That one's got, he's been so punked in there. Okay. Good deal. Because I think these guys are good. This hole is, I don't know. This one's got, I'm gonna have to put washer on that.
Right.
And a washer. Grind this stuff off. I don't understand what, I don't know what they had going.
I don't know, extra foot pegs, I guess.
Like this.
Over the years, the frame has picked up many scars from where previous owners have made welds and other modifications. We're going to remove these after straightening the jack shaft plates and stripping the old paint.
Strip it, I don't know. These are the factory where they had
oh yeah,
where they pushed it together.
Right.
This one is straight. This one we're gonna have to get it.
Piece of wood or
yeah, I was hoping
big pliers.
Lay it on that. We're gonna have to. It'll have to be pounded out. Better?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Must have took a hit right there.
Safety first, kids.
Yeah.
We are using Rust-Oleum Aircraft Remover Paint Stripper to remove the outer layers of paint from the bike. If you decide to use this stuff, be careful. It's strong stuff.
Yeah, it's starting to eat it already. That blue, that's pristine metal under there.
Looks like the quality of the blue paint almost didn't need to be painted over in the first place.
Well, because the, I don't know what, back in the 60s, that paint they used, they don't use no more. The lacquer or whatever it was. I'm not sure. I'm sure it's been banned by now. Oh yeah. So I wonder if that's supposed to be pinched down.
I mean the eye bolts, I think it's what's supposed to keep it.
Okay. Right on.
So we're gonna try and remove these old
modifications.
Yeah, ugly foot peg modifications.
Damn. Man, look guys weld like we do, man. A bunch of globby. There you go. Here it comes.
What you think?
I think that's it. Tell me if it's hot. All right, I like that. I think it'll come out as good as it's going to with all those nicks and just the age, the patina. It's only about 40 years old. And even if it was in the 60s, it's older than that.
I'd say I think it's pushing 50. Alright, so what are we going to do, fill these holes?
Yeah, we're going to get us a bolt and grind it off to where it'll fit in there, and then I'm just going to weld it and then grind it down. Weld it and grind it down. And then we'll from there. Even their holes weren't even the same size.
Yeah.
So I don't know if even find a bolt would be better. I may be able just to fill that in by itself, but that's pretty good. Yeah, I ain't got that skill. Good. Perfect. That's what we'll do. We'll just weld that in there, chop it. Go. sandpaper, brush it down, and put some primer on it. That's as good as we gonna get. Months? How long we had this thing?
I don't know. Year at least.
It's gonna have some scarring in it. So. That's patina with new paint.
Patina with new paint?
Yeah.
Well, it was beyond patina. So did you decide on Bonanza blue?
Yeah, Bonanza blue. Rat rod.
No, looks good.
So I'll put this crap on thick, so I'm gonna sand it down.
And we're running out of light anyways.
Yeah.
Again. And we are going to finish up for the day right here. With the frame disassembled, cleaned, and primed, we can start on working towards putting it all back together. Keep an eye out for part 2 in the future where we will accomplish some more. Thanks again for watching, hit the like and subscribe if you're into that sort of thing, and we will see you next time.